Hurricane hunters, scientists flying right into the storm. Our first president, George Washington, kept records of the weather. Long ago, it was common for presidents to track the weather. Today, powerful storms are studied by meteorologists, scientists who study weather full time. Their goal? To save lives. Buckle up and hold on tight. Accurate data is important. The National Hurricane Center sends scientists on planes into hurricanes to gather data. They are called hurricane hunters. They fly straight into a hurricane at 10,000 feet. It's not an enjoyable flight. A hurricane flight is often more than just a bumpy ride. It can be a slam bang, stomach churning, spine jarring, heaving, yawing, pounding nightmare of a ride with pilots struggling at the controls and meteorologists straining to read their instruments, said meteorologist Al Peterlin. On these important flights, scientists use tools to measure the storm. Their most powerful tool is the drop zone. At the perfect moment, scientists release the drop zone into the storm. It has a parachute, so it falls slowly. It carries all kinds of important tools. The tools measure temperature, wind speed, and air pressure. The drop zone sends information back to the National Hurricane Center. Did you know the hurricanes have names? Scientists get to name all the hurricanes. They take turns giving the hurricane male names and female names. Every minute saves lives. Soon the National Hurricane Center gets the information. It uses the information to create models of where the storm might hit. The National Hurricane Center sends out advisories and alerts to anyone in a danger a few days before the storm. Hurricanes are serious and deadly. The strongest hurricanes are Category 5 hurricanes. They can destroy cities and towns, and they have winds over 155 miles per hour. More than 2.5 million people have died in disasters in the last 35 years. Because of the research meteorologists do, people now get warning days before hurricanes hit land. If warnings are given earlier, then families have more time to gather together in safe locations. Nursing homes and hospitals can move patients to safer locations. This saves money. It also saves people's lives. Scientists still want to get better at predicting storms. They spend all year researching hurricanes. They want to learn all they can. They know that better forecasts will save money and save lives.